Good day everyone, my name is Mika and welcome back to another episode of Kakanin series video recipe of Miguelitos. In this episode, samahan nyo ako lutuin ating paborito, Pichi-Pichi. Ang kailangan nating ingredients ay 2.5 cups of water, grated coconut for toppings, and our very own Miguelitos instant Pichi-Pichi mix. Dissolve 1 pack of Miguelitos instant Pichi-Pichi mix in 2.5 cups of water and mix thoroughly until it's dissolved. Pour the mixture into the molders and steam for 30 to 45 minutes. Steam the mixture for 35 to 45 minutes until it becomes translucent. Allow the steamed Pichi-Pichi to cool down for at least 30 minutes to 40 minutes before removing it from the molder. Roll each piece over grated coconut or cheese and place it in the chosen packaging. You can sell the Pichi-Pichi for 50 to 80 pesos. Perfect sideline ngayong Pasko. To be updated for more video recipes of Miguelitos, don't forget to click the ring bell button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Miguelitos, ang best partner mo sa negosyo.